Welcome to this next video. This is about hiding rows and columns and also hiding certain features of cells in your workbook. So what I've got here is a silly little formula there which references the cell A1. The $sign here and here indicates that this is an absolute rather than a relative cell reference, and so therefore each one of these is referring to cell A1. So it's a formula. It's not a formula that's perhaps much use, and it certainly doesn't do any calculations, but it is a formula. Sometimes you might want to hide complexity and formulas from people using your spreadsheet. So let's see how we do that. Well, the procedure is actually very similar, highlight these, to locking cells that we did in another video. I right click, I go to Format Cells, and I make sure that they are locked and hidden. But you have to read the message here. Locking cells or hiding formulas has no effect until you protect the worksheet. Click OK. Let's protect the sheet, rather like I did in a previous video. I'm just entering a simple password, and the sheet is now protected. Now, the cells are still visible because that feature wasn't to make the cells invisible, but rather it was to hide the formula. And you'll see that these 6 cells now, no formula is visible here. So that is a form of protection, hiding complexity or whatever from a user of your spreadsheet. I'm going to unprotect the sheet now, and I just want to show you another feature, and this is hiding columns or rows. Let's say for some reason I have something in column D here that I don't want the user to see. It's very simple. I right click and I click hide, and now if you look, we go from A to column B, C and E. The only giveaway is here where there's this sort of double line on the column edge. If I want to get it back again, I need to hover my cursor very carefully and just do unhide, and bingo, column D is back. It works exactly the same for the rows. Hide row 3 there. There's that telltale indicator that something is hidden, and I just unhide it. The final example I'd like to show you about hiding complexity from the user is down here, and I go to make a new worksheet called second sheet. Now I've got main, second sheet. Let's say there's something important here. I can hide this entire worksheet, so I right click and just click hide, and the user now only sees the main worksheet. Again, how do I get it back? It's fairly simple. I just right click and unhide, and everything that I've hidden will be listed here. There could be more than one. I click OK and we're back in business. So that concludes my video on hiding formulas and also hiding rows, columns and sheets.